Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, and let me share with you how to block a contact or a number on this device. Because basically we've got two different ways to block a number. We can block it directly from our contacts, so this number has to be saved, or we can simply block a number which we will enter manually. And of course I'll show you both options, and let's begin with the contact list, because this way it's much easier and maybe faster, not easier. So let's enter your contacts, for example using the dialer, and this is the best option to choose because later on we will need this phone section, the dialer section. So okay, if we are on the contacts, we have to find the contact which we would like to block. So let me block that. And here, after tapping on it, we have to pick the two dots icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see right here, we've got the option Add to Block List, so just tap on it. Your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So if you are ready, just tap on Add to Block List. And actually this is it. This is how to add to block list. So as it was said, you won't receive actually anything from that number. Of course you can unblock it the same way. So just by tapping on this two dots icon, you can tap on remove from block list. But let's leave it like it. I mean, let's leave it blocked, because we will check if it actually will appear on the blacklist when we will check it. So let's go back, and now let me show you the second way to block a number. So here we have to switch the phone, as I said previously. And right now we have to again tap on the two dots icon, and as you can see right at the top we've got block and filter option. So let's tap. If you will turn on this option, I mean if you will enter this section for the very first time, your device will ask you to simply allow it to have to use the contacts, probably text messages, and so on and so on. So simply give all the permissions it needs. And as you can see here, we've got no blocked calls or messages. So this is the list of calls which your device will block. And in order to set particular rules, we have to tap on this two dots icon again in order to set the rules. And as you can see here, finally we've got our block list. So let's tap on it, and here we've got the number we blocked from our contacts. And as I said, you will be able also to block a number manually. So let's simply tap on this plus icon, and as you can see here you've got actually three different options. So in order to add the number manually, just tap on enter number, obviously, but you can also block it from by prefix or select a number, and after picking select a number you will be transferred again to your contacts, which is, let's say, more comfortable option, because you do not have to block numbers one by one, but you will be able to pick a lot of them, for example, I don't know, 5, and then set them in the group and block them with only one click. So let me focus on entering the number. So if you'd like to enter the number manually, just tap on this option, and as you can see you will be able to enter it here, and if you are done, tap on the stick icon and it immediately appears on the blacklist. So it means that from now on your device won't notify you about any incoming calls from this number. And we can edit it here, so it means that after tapping on it we will be able to remove the numbers from the blacklist. So after simply marking them, we will be able to remove them. So let me remove, for example, that and leave one of them. So let's tap on remove, of course confirm, and as you can see we've got only the number we applied here manually. And after getting back, you've got also some blocking notifications which you can customize. You can decide if you want to show all, hide notifications from blocked numbers, or hide all of them. You've got also allow list, so it means that calls and messages from numbers in the allow list will not be blocked. And here we've got none, but of course you can add it just like it was in the blacklist. And if you will have your SIM card inserted, then you will also be able to set the block calls and block messages. So simply set the rules of blocking. So for example, in block messages, if your device will detect the message with particular word, like, I don't know, the weather, flower, lamp, and so on, whatever you will put there, then it will simply block the message. The same situation with blocking calls. So if you will enter the rule that, for example, you want to block all calls from the numbers which have got, I don't know, 4 digits like 000 or 4567, then your device will block all numbers which contains those details, let's say, those numbers also. Alright, so actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your Oppo Reno 10X Zoom. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.